I'm Jonalyn F. Caratero, 20 years of age, living at Poblacion, Malvar, Batangas, a second-year college student taking up Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Food Technology at Batangas State University, Jose P. Laurel Polytechnic College, Malvar Campus. My parents are Pasita Caratero and Frank Caratero. My mother was a housekeeper and my father was a hardware worker. I have brother and sister. My brother is August Cole, working at the company, and my sister is Julie Pearl Caratero, a third-year high school student. Food presentation, food styling, and baking are my skills. My hobbies are reading books and cooking. I attended a seminar last September 11, 2010 at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Quezon City, which is the Y for IT. Thank you.